Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak on behalf of the department. So I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about the department, what is going on, and what we have in the form of plans for the future. We currently have our faculty around 30 plus, where 20 of those are PhDs. The current enrollment of our department is 200 per year for the undergraduate, and the number of graduate students that we induct, that fluctuates every year. It varies from somewhere from 40 to 70. So that's the bracket in which every year we actually have our graduate students coming. Apart from this, we have been going through this faculty development program that was primarily funded by the government of Pakistan through HEC, that have given pretty good results in the last few years, but currently we are facing the problem of faculty retention. So one of my suggestions with this particular opportunity is to our government and policymakers that we should look for some faculty retention programs as well, which are going to actually strengthen many of our public institutes where we are actually facing this particular problem in more aggravated fashion. As far as the research culture is concerned, we have promoted the research culture by reducing the workload of our faculty members who are currently engaged in many research projects. So this is how we manage and facilitate our faculty members for our research activities. If we talk about the number of scholarships that our students are getting going abroad, so that somewhere falls between 20 to 30% of our graduates. They actually land up out of Pakistan for higher studies or for job purposes within 2 years of their graduation. In addition, we are collaborating currently pretty strongly with our local industry, and we have been able to secure our graduate fellowships from 3 of our industrial partners. So they are sponsoring our graduate students, which are going to be potentially hired by them at the end of their degree program. And we want to strengthen this particular initiative so we can actually strengthen our graduate program and can actually take it to the next level, which always has been a weak link between our university and the industrial counterpart. As far as the research projects are concerned, our faculty is able to not only acquire research projects and research funding from our national donors, but also internationally. So we do have public funding from not only HEC, but international funding from World Bank, from Korean government, as well as from Canadian government. So these are certain opportunities that our faculty has actually explored. Finally, I would also like to comment on, because this technological advancement that we are witnessing nowadays, that actually require every institute to pick and choose, because not any institute in the world can actually counter or have pretty good strength of faculty on all the aspects of electrical engineering. That has become a challenge for almost every institution. So we have selected certain areas, thrust areas for ourselves, and we are collaborating with our partner institutions locally. For example, we have an MOU with LUMS where our students can enroll in LUMS courses which are not offered at UAT and vice versa. That is something we are trying to explore on international arena as well, where we would like to see that if we can have certain arrangements with some international institutions as well, because in post-COVID era, this has become a viable solution. People are taking degree programs online. So in that context, we want to explore any possibility that our graduate students or even undergraduate students can register with some courses with an international institution while sitting in Pakistan. So this is something we want to explore and see how it can be materialized. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity and to speak on behalf of the department.